Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm Nina and this is Honestly Plus Size. We talk about a little bit of this and that, plus size fashion and also beauty products, skincare and a little bit of everything, to be honest. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite skincare companies actually, and that is Yeouth. And Yeouth is something that you can get on Amazon, for example. Easy to get. You got all the links down below as well. And I'm going to show you what I got in the box this time. So this is the pretty box you get with Yeouth. And you get it all packaged and nice in here with, this time I've got 3 products. In the box it says, do you ever ask yourself why? At Yeouth, our passion is helping people put their best self forward every day. We do this by providing truly superior products at reasonable prices. This is the answer to our why. We spelt it. Why? All of us at Yeouth happily encourage you to find your why. And then yeouth.com. I really recommend you go in and try. I've tried a lot of their products and I've made videos before and you can see them linked down below as well, and you might have some up here. And I have to say I'm happy with everything. I don't think there's anything that I am not happy with. I haven't had any reactions or anything bad going on with my skin, so that's a big plus. We are going to talk about what I got this time, and this time I got something really exciting. I got a mud mask. It's a Dead Sea mud mask, and I'm going to show you a little video because I actually tried it on as well, so you can see. I'm not just going to say anything. This is what it looks like, and as you can see it is mud. It's great and sticky, and it's got it's almost like a cinnamon smell to it. I didn't think about that when I put it on. It's a really nice and creamy consistency to it, and it's like I don't know, it's like a whipped mud somehow. Really nice, I do like it, and I am gonna have to look at why it smells like cinnamon. Let me see if there's any cinnamon in here. There's lots of herbs and things in here, a lot of good things. I can't see the cinnamon, but it could be that one of the other herbs actually smell like it. So it smells really nice, and it was really well packaged. You don't have to worry about it being opened. It's all in plastic and all contained properly, so that is so good. Of course, when you use this, you wash your face, make sure your skin is clean before you put a mask on. Then you add some of this, making sure you don't put too much around your mouth and your eyes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's dry, and then you wash it off with some warm water. I found that it was a little bit hard to get it off. The consistency is quite I don't know, sticky, fatty, I don't know what you want to call it, but it was hard to get off. I had to wash quite a lot to get it off. But my skin feels really nice afterwards. I used it now before I made this video, so I haven't had anything on my face except for Yeouth products. So you can see what it looks like. Not that you can see much, but anyway. That was the mud mask. Really, really like that one. After the mud mask, I used my toner that I had in another video, and then I had a serum on as well, and I also put some of this eye gel on that I got in this package. So this eye gel comes like this in a pump bottle. Just pump it out. It's a clear, as you can see, it's a clear formula. And what does it say about this then? Clean skin, of course, that's what I had. Use the serum before you put this on, and put this on under your eyes. You don't have to double up on the serum and eyes. You could if you want to, but don't have to. I didn't do that. I got most of my serum around my face, and then I put this under my eyes. Really nice. I feel really good now. Of course I put some concealer under there, but yeah, it's perfect. Of course, if you're going out anywhere, make sure you put sunscreen on as well, or sun cream on as well, so that you don't ruin your skin. Your skin needs protection to look good. And then an anti-age serum. It's a super serum, and this is something that you put on during the night when you go to sleep. Also comes in one of these really nice bottles, and it has this pump. Again, you pump it and out it comes. You can pump it and show you what it looks like. There we go. It's like a little cream. Smells really nice. Sorry, I'm a bit goofy. It does smell really nice, and it has a really nice sorry, my dog is coughing in the back. Really nice consistency to it. Smells nice. And it goes straight into my skin. It's gone now, so I don't have to worry about being sticky or anything. Perfect. Oh, that smells nice. Let's see what it says about this then, if there is anything particular you should think about. Use it at night. You wash your face as you do normally. Then when it's still a bit damp, you put this on. A pea-sized amount is enough, and then you allow it to absorb. And if you want to, you can add more serums, other serums that you have, and then of course a moisturizer if you want for the night, so that you kind of prepped your skin to get all of that gooey good moisture in there to last you out the next day. Once again, I am really happy with everything I got. Yeouth is something I really can recommend. I have had no problems with them. I do love the fact that they're thinking about the planet as well. They're using glass bottles. They're very little plastic, and if they do, it's recyclable. The box, cardboard box, I mean, yeah, it's really good. And you have loads of products to choose from. I have a lot of them now in my cupboard. I've got cleanser, I've got toner, I've got serums, moisturizers, day cream, night cream, all kinds of eye creams and things, and I like them all. So go and have a little look-see at what you can find, and I am sure you're not going to be disappointed. So thank you so much for watching this video, as well as you have some of my others, I'm hoping. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next, and also make sure you leave a bit of a comment down below, maybe a thumbs up as well. Until next time guys, take care, and I will see you then.